No, nothing you're seeing is real. Every frame is generated by Sora, OpenAI's latest shocking text-to-video AI model. According to OpenAI, Sora, named after the Japanese word for sky, can generate videos up to a minute long, producing complex scenes with multiple subjects on the screen, specific types of motion, with stunning visual quality that is almost identical to the prompts given by users. Currently, Sora is available to a select group of red teamers to identify potential harms and risks, and a diverse group of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers for feedback and suggestions. Now, according to OpenAI, Sora not only understands the user's prompts, but also how these elements interact in the real world, thanks to its deep linguistic comprehension. This allows Sora to produce videos with characters that showcase vibrant emotions and maintain consistency in visual style across different shots. It's a diffusion model and starts off with something that looks like noise and transforms it into clear video by reducing noise incrementally. Sora can create whole videos at once or extend them to make them longer, maintaining the continuity of subjects even when they are not in view. And it utilizes a transformer architecture similar to GPT models. According to Forbes, OpenAI reveals, "We represent videos and images as collections of smaller units of data called patches, each of which is akin to a token in GPT. By unifying how we represent data, we can train diffusion transformers on a wider range of visual data than was possible before, spanning different durations, resolutions, and aspect ratios. And also, whereas LLMs have text tokens, Sora has visual patches." Then they state, "At a high level, we turn videos into patches by first compressing videos into a lower dimensional latent space and subsequently decomposing the representation into space-time patches." Now, Sora is built on past research in DALL-E and GPT models and uses the recaptioning technique from DALL-E, which involves generating highly descriptive captions for the real training data. Folks, personally, I'm truly astounded by the clips of Sora I've seen online. Ever since its first clip appeared on X, the one where we can see a woman walking through the brilliantly lit, bustling street of Tokyo, complete with reflections and people, I was kind of blown away. Now, a few weeks have passed since that clip, and Sam Altman intriguingly has started posting Sora clips on X using prompts from both completely random users and well-known personalities. In some cases, the results have been extraordinary, and in others, well, slightly less so. But the fact is, even with the less successful outputs from Sora, I believe I can confidently say it surpasses any other text-to-video AI on the market right now, including those from top-tier software companies. For instance, this prompt from X might not shine aesthetically, but it still maintains consistency over time, even with changes in the scene, effectively creating a sort of unique atmosphere for each generated video. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at some examples of Sora's capabilities. One of the craziest examples of Sora's produced videos is one where we can follow an ant into its anthill. In this short video, we can see the intricate tunnels and chambers of the anthill, with accurate lighting and textures. The attention to detail is so precise that it's almost hard to believe it was completely generated by AI. Most video generators are very limited when it comes to generating human faces, but this is not the case with Sora. In this example, we can see a woman traveling on the busy metro in Tokyo, with people passing by in the background. The AI has accurately captured the subtle facial expressions and movement of her hair, making it almost indistinguishable from real video. Who said robots couldn't be adorable? One of the most famous examples of Sora's versatility is the creation of images featuring cute animals. One stunning example is a group of Labrador puppies playing in the snow. Using advanced algorithms, Sora can generate realistic-looking images of various animals in different environments. The level of detail and cuteness in this image is enough to make anyone want to quit their jobs and adopt one of these fluffy pups. Here, Sora showcases its ability to create realistic simulations of environments that are out of this world. And I mean literally. In this video, we see an astronaut walking on a weird planet wearing a red woolly cap. The lighting and shadows are impressively accurate, making it feel like we're right there with the astronaut as they take their steps on our celestial neighbor. Now, seeing these examples makes me think about the implications of Sora for the film industry and beyond. Some CGI animations, like fluid or gas behavior, literally take months to render. When Sora reaches its full potential, maybe in a few years, if not sooner, these tasks could be done in minutes, if not seconds. And think about what the non-technical folks in the video industry could do with it. Imagine being bored and wanting to make a movie in 5 minutes, just to pass the time. Need I say more? However, as I mentioned before, Sora isn't perfect yet. Some clips show clear perception and generation errors by Sora, like in the clip where a man runs backward on a treadmill, or another clip where a basketball follows non-typical human physics laws to enter a hoop. According to the original prompt, the ball was supposed to explode once it went through the hoop, but instead it enters in a rather curious way. But I guess that's totally normal, especially considering how quickly we've come to see these shocking results. Now, one of the things not many people are talking about yet, as I mentioned before, is Hollywood's response to the emergence of Sora. What will the movie giant do now that they have a robotic competitor? Well, the response hasn't been too surprising. With the unveiling of Sora's capabilities and its potential impact on content creation, numerous folks from Hollywood have voiced their perspectives on this groundbreaking technology. For example, filmmaker and actor Tyler Perry made headlines by revealing that he put an $800 million expansion on his Atlanta studio on hold after witnessing the capabilities of Sora AI. In an interview with The Hollywood Reporter, Perry expressed concerns about potential threats to jobs posed by AI advancements, sparking discussion about the repercussions of integrating such technology into the filmmaking process. He's not the only Hollywood professional that has expressed a mix of anticipation and apprehension. But luckily, some have highlighted the potential for Sora to revolutionize content production by making it more accessible and efficient. However, there have also been expressions of unease and skepticism around Sora's impact. Filmmaker Paul Trillo described his experience with Sora as unsettling, reflecting the anxieties that some professionals harbor about the implications of AI-produced content. Additionally, there are voices within the industry emphasizing that Sora, while impressive, may still be unable to fully compete with human creativity and intuition at this stage. Okay, folks, what do you think of Sora? Will it spell the doom for the film industry, or could it somehow lead to its rebirth? And most importantly, what implications will it have for ordinary people not working in entertainment? I'm genuinely amazed at how quickly we've reached this point. Drop a Sora in the comments to let us know you watched the whole video, and if you like this, subscribe to the channel. You'll stay constantly updated on the latest AI news, and it would be a huge support to us. See you next time, folks. You all take care.